Hi, I'm Bertilla Martins, nurse educator at Bhatia Hospital. I got to know about IMAST last year actually when some of our staff from the OT had come in for training, hands-on training in laparoscopic surgeries. This year we were encouraged to attend a session on fundamentals of nursing in neonatology by one of our pediatricians, Dr. Sandeep Mehta. After we heard about it, the training preparation, the coordination for the course, everything was done very well from the side of IMAST. And I must say that we were not disappointed at all. The session went very well. All the organizers, the teachers, very well trained and a lot of knowledge. We have got a lot of knowledge from them, a lot of hands on training along with theory. And going back today, I've taken a lot of information from them, and I'm sure to inculcate this in our practice at the hospital. In my 26 years of nursing, I think this is the first time I've been exposed to such a vast experience where we had theory along with practicals. I hope to see many more courses from IMAST in the future, and I really appreciate the organizers for reaching out to all our nurses for this. Thank you so much.